Okay, so I'm starting off by showing you guys the hair, and I did a little test strand because that's definitely necessary when bleaching hair. So now I'm just laying down the foil, and this is what I'm using to bleach the hair. So I'm just mixing up my bleach with the developer. I added more later on, but this is just, you know, showing you the process. So here I am applying it to the hair. I'm applying it at the bottom first, and then I'm going to like work my way up. And once I get to the top, I'm going to turn the brush vertical so that there are no harsh lines. And I'm just going to turn it around and do the same on the other side. And I'm just making sure that I get all in between all of the hair so there are no no patchiness or anything. And then every once in a while, I'm going to be going through the hair, combing the developer through, just to make sure that it's getting on every single strand. And so after I was done with the bundle, I just closed up the foil and did the other one. And I bleached both of the bundles twice to get the desired color that I wanted. It all depends on your hair and the volume of developer and everything you use, how light it's gonna get. So yeah, now I'm working on the frontal, and I end up bleaching the frontal twice as well. And of course, you can also do the same thing on some hair that's already lightened, like a 613, but I was testing this hair out, so I just wanted to see how it took to bleach in color. So yeah, this is what we're working with. So after bleaching, this is what the hair looked like. This is the color that I wanted to get to before I did my watercolor. Okay, so now I am heating up my water for the watercolor. And now I'm pouring in the water, and I'm going to add my color. The color that I'm going to be using today is Cinnamon by Adore, or Adore. So now I'm just adding that color. I put a whole bottle in, and I'm just mixing it up. And I'm going to do a test strand before I decide to dip all of the bundles in, just to make sure that I see exactly what color I'm going to get before, you know, dipping the whole thing. So I dipped this, rinsed it out, and this is what I got. So now I'm dipping the whole bundle in, and I'm using the brush and just making sure that I get every single piece of hair saturated with the watercolor. And I just did the exact same thing with the second bundle. And as you guys can see, like the more I dip the hair into it, the lighter the water gets, because it's taking that pigment from that water and it's going into the hair, like it's saturating the hair. So by the time I got to the frontal, the water was pretty light, so it didn't get as dark as the rest of the bundles. So I did end up adding some more color and redipping the frontal. Yeah, so after I dipped all the bundles in the closure, I did rinse it with cold water and I conditioned it, and then I made a wig, and this is what it looked like after I made the wig. So if you guys want to see the final product of like the wig once I cut it and style it and everything, be sure to look out for my next video, which would be like part 2 of this. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.